6 unbelievable law of attraction techniques that really work like magic. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we're so excited, we're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. We get letters every day and we're grateful for them. We got one here yesterday that I wanted to share with you. Hi Robert, just wanted to say thank you so much for the inspiration for my wife and I. We love your work and have made $2.5 million in sales this last year because of your videos. We can't send you a letter. Obviously, they want to remain anonymous. But we would love to send you a donation of $1,000 in Bitcoin. All you have to do is give us your wallet address. You know, I'm just so excited when I hear and read letters of inspiration. You know, we've helped people in 60 different countries, and you can claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching absolutely free. It doesn't make any difference what it is, your relationship, your marriage, your business, your career. We are here to help you. High flyers, if you haven't claimed your free ebook, How to Make Miracles, I urge you to do it right away. Simply go to the3wordformula.com/miracles. We'll have the address or the URL in the description. Okay, 6 unbelievable, and I do mean they're unbelievable. People, when they hear these laws, they go, that's not really gonna work, is it? And it absolutely works. These are attraction techniques that they almost seem to work like magic. I think these unbelievable techniques, I think the way they work is they raise your vibration to a higher frequency, but more importantly, they put you in alignment with whatever your dream or your desire or your goal or your intention is. And when you're in perfect alignment, it's an automatic attraction. It's an automatic manifestation. High flyers, if you want to keep soaring high, higher than you've ever gone before in your life, with every area of your life, follow these 6 unbelievable techniques. But the first one, I believe, is the most important. 5 words that will fix your life forever. Are you ready? I love you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. You know, there's been a lot on the internet lately about Ho'onoponopono, which is the Hawaiian prayer method. But I no longer believe it's necessary to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. I see these as secondary to I love you and thank you. So when I get a bill in the mail that I didn't expect, and at first I go, oh, then I realize I want to keep my vibration at the frequency of love. So I look at the bill and say, I'm so grateful that I have the money to pay this bill. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Now, here's the thing. Do it all day long and do it equally for the things that you don't normally express love and affection for. Somebody gives you a dirty look, or they cross you off on the highway while you're driving to work, and all of a sudden you're slamming on your brakes. I love you. You get to work and all of a sudden you're 10 minutes late, but the boss has been waiting for you. Thank you. I love you. thank you. If you can incorporate those two words and the feelings that go with them, you literally raise your vibration up like massively. I mean, it's like silly how high you raise your vibration. And you feel better, but you attract more of what you desire. Well, high flyers, I talked about the whispering technique in another video. But one of the things that I found that is extremely effective is to whisper to myself throughout the day. Instead of saying my affirmation, every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. And that's okay. You can do it like that. You can even crank up some music and do jumping jacks. How about throughout the day, you just whisper to yourself, every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. You just whisper to yourself. You see, there's something very cool about whispering to yourself. It goes right back to the subconscious mind. A whisper denotes that I am speaking softly because it's that important. You see, when you're whispering, it's so important. And what it does is it tells your subconscious mind, listen up. This is important. It's a way of putting positive thoughts and positive affirmations into your subconscious mind easier and faster. The third unbelievable method, high flyers, is a glass of water. And you notice I drink my water out of glass. I recommend that you avoid, to the best of your ability, I understand it's not always possible, but to the best of your ability, stop drinking out of plastic. Okay, and I know they've reduced the PVCs and the plastic. Have you felt some of these plastic bottles? You go to pick them up and they squish in your hand and water goes flying all over the place. Drink out of glass. There are some beautiful glass containers, water bottles, that you can buy at some of the sporting goods stores. Anyway, this is a regular glass, and you just simply put your hand here and you just charge it. You just focus on your intention. And I just say, if you're working on your relationship, a beautiful relationship, a happy relationship. If you're working on your career, a successful career, a prosperous career, a busy career. How about this one? Money comes easily into my life. And now, salute. Well, high flyers, one of the things that I've talked about numerous times on various videos is pillow talk, where you hold that pillow, but it's usually in regards to a relationship. I like this one as well. Now, this one you can use for your career, you can use for your business, you can use to attract more money, or you can use it for your relationship. It works the same. Take a picture of whatever it is that you are attracting, your intention. Take a simple picture, look at it before bedtime. Visualize that you are already there, that it's already manifested. Slip it under your pillow. I like to put it in the pillowcase so it doesn't get lost. Under the pillow. And then fall asleep. But I talk to my pillow as I fall asleep. I'm enjoying a beautiful, loving relationship. This is an incredible love affair. I am enjoying an incredible, successful career as a writer, or as an actor, or as a musician, or as a doctor, or a lawyer, whatever career you're in. Or it may simply be, I don't know where it's coming from. I don't even know how it's going to get here, but money is flowing into my life. So you could have a picture of yourself and the person you love. You could have a picture of your career being fulfilled, or you could have a picture. Now, don't put a bunch of pictures in there. Don't mess us up with like 3 or 4 or 5 pictures. One picture. And then just talk to the pillow as you're falling asleep. Talk with confidence. Whisper. Whisper with confidence, as if it's already a part of your life. High flyers, you oftentimes hear people say, well, Robert, it's not right to give in order to get. That's just greedy. Hey, don't you do it all the time? When you go to work, don't you give a week or sometimes 2 weeks of work and then you get a paycheck? I mean, that's common. You give in order to receive. There's nothing wrong with giving in order to receive. So look for opportunities to pay it forward and dedicate that action to your intention. You buy somebody behind you in line a Starbucks coffee. You say, let me pay their bill. And the lady says, okay. She rings it up or puts it on your credit card. And then what? You drive off. But as you're driving off, you're saying, I dedicate that little gift of paying it forward to bringing me energy and vibration that will help me with my career or more money or a new house or a new car or my relationship, whatever it is that you're focused on. Dedicate those acts, what do they call them, Rachel? Random acts of kindness. Random acts of kindness. Just immerse yourself in random acts of kindness and love and dedicate those random acts of kindness to your intention being fulfilled. So number 6 is what we call the power pose. Now, anybody that's been to one of my workshops knows that we end every session with the power pose. It just changes your physiology and your energy field. As a matter of fact, there's scientific evidence that says that it raises your testosterone for about 3 to 4 hours by 10 to 15%. And testosterone makes you feel good, even if you're a woman, and you won't grow a beard, I promise. Okay, so you take your hands in a fist. You put them out at a 45-degree angle. Put that head back just a notch. Put your legs out at a 45-degree angle. And all you need is 2 minutes in this pose. 2 minutes. But what are you going to do while you're in this pose? Just stand here? No. You're going to do your affirmations every day, in every way. I'm getting better and better, baby. I really am. Oh, I feel so good. Money is too damn easy to make. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Love is flowing into my life. You get the idea. Do it for 2 minutes. It's best to do it in the morning because if you do it in the evening, you'll probably be up all night. You have a great day. You deserve it. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.